We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, if you mentioned we can look for buy, there was a short-term buy, but now we see it's turned to the bigger correction. Okay, and if we put this one in relative to this, as we can see, since the price is moving upward, but if we refer to the MACD doesn't show anything. But if we move to another indicator, which I have, all the way we can see the divergence. That's why when the price was here, even we mentioned, even the price move higher, we can look for the down move. The price can drop. This is what we get, and similar to what we had here. Now we want to see how we can trade it. No, we want to look for this is a big correction. Okay, and as we can see here, the way it's moving could give us a sell setup, but the way it's moving is drop and reverse. If this one become a bigger correction, we can look for short-term sell. Okay, and if we move to lower time frame, all right, no, we cannot see anything, even the price drop. And as I say, if the only way we can look for sell if this one turn to a big correction, it doesn't mean we don't have any sell setup, trade setup. And based on daily chart, we have nothing. So if I move to forward chart, okay, based on forward chart, we have been within this move. As we can see, the way is moving, and now we want to see how we can look for this. Whether we can look for this one as a correction for one move up to break the top or not, because we don't see based on forward chart, we don't see any. I mean, the based on indicators, we don't see anything that for the price can. I mean, any signs of the reversal. Okay, that's why we want to see whatever we trade, we look for. We for buy, we consider as a short term in case this one can give us one more drop. Okay, and because we're looking for any sharp move with the correction to change the direction from what we have. Because right now, maybe we have this one and this. Okay, what we have, the only thing is this is the internally we cannot conform it. Whether this is the only correction, we can look for one more drop, or this one when the price drop here can finish this three waves correction, and this is the start of the up move. All right, simply because of this, we can read the chart differently. That's why if we trading here, we need to be quite careful. And I want to see how we can trade it. If we move to 1 hour chart, as I say, based on this indicator, we have a divergence. That's why we get all this down move. And no, if we get this one become a deeper correction, maybe we can look for one more drop as a short term, because still we can expect the price to drop. We can, I mean, that's mean how deep it can go. Still, we can expect the price to retest this low, which is 1.279. Okay, but if we want to look for buy, we prefer to get one more drop. Then from there, any reversal, we take the buy. And when the price break this top, we start to manage it. The top is 1.525. All right, similar to what we had here. The price drop, reversal, a small flag, you can look for buy. But right now, you cannot buy within this range. It doesn't mean even the price reverse, you cannot buy unless you wait for the breakout of the top. Then you get any correction. Then from there, we look for buy. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we're looking at this correction. We want to see how deep this one can go. If this one turn to a bigger correction, maybe we can look for one more sell. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we're looking to see whether this is the start of the up move or not. Any trade, if we get full buy, we should be quite careful. Okay, because as I mentioned, whether we put this one as a correction, also I need to add this one here. All right, if we're looking at this chart, whether this is the correction we're looking for, or we put this one in relative to this with this internal. Mostly we're looking for this because based on forward chart, we saw it. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. That's why I expect if they get the correction here, the price can retest here. Not exactly here, may drop some more, even break. Any of them can happen. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share, because right now we're looking